business deal. Every player ready, we don't care. You know we don't talk play over. But there was some of them want to play, but I forgot about that. You understand? People, let me tell you something. That training session, you have to sweat. If you're not sweat, it looks like, oh, it's sticky for you. But I said, training session. Let me tell you, I want to play already, but no, sir. You want to work off on a song, musically. Talk a bag of thing and a bag of something. I'm a good man in their party. Listen. You work, cheerleaders. Now let's go on the cheer to me. The cheerleaders. Now come here, Susie. Come here. What else, baby? Come. You two.
I'm here to start teaching you for the people some pussy or girl on the career. I want some pussy. I'm there to see if I'm blood clot bad on the current sense.
I'm this not a big fucking bad one, a woman. Don't fuck with that noise. That money sound like the tools.